What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Mostly gentlemen, maybe just a couple ladies watching. We are out here at one of my favorite tracks, riding with the squad. We got Sam on his KX85. We got Udi on his KX250F. We got Cody on his CRF 350R. We got Alan on his YZ125. We got D-Rec on the KTM 150SX. We're gonna go out for a ride together. I'm getting uncomfortably close to him. I got the squad behind me. I gotta keep the pace up, bro. Swapping lines. There he goes with the pass. Love to see it. Man. Look at that. Look at him go! Downshift in the air, slow up for this jump. It's a little dusty. I didn't expect it to be dusty at all today. Already got a little side race. Nice. The closest I've ever been to someone when going over jumps, dude. That was crazy. I sent that one way too far, bro. Oh shit! Dude on the Husky up front's ripping, man. He's flying. Gotta make sure you stay on their tail, dude. Crazy, bro. Again, I don't know who this guy on the Husky is riding with us, but he's riding really good. Flying. pumped up as shit. But I'm gonna try and keep up with this guy. He's flying. But we're gonna see what I can do. Yo, bro, I'm Derek.
Hopefully, Derek Holman, right?
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, man. How's it going, man? Josh, nice to meet you.
Josh? Josh Owen?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Josh.
Hopefully you don't mind me jumping in.
No, absolutely not. I was struggling to keep up with you. I was like,
You're 150 SX, you're hauling ass out there, man.
what's this? A 350? Yeah. I tried for as long as I could, but you were flying, dude.
You were fast, dude. Thank you, I appreciate it. For sure, man.
There he is. Get it. Got it. Woo! Hell yeah! That's the farthest he ever sent that.
He cleared it.
Yeah, that was awesome. As soon as I told him he's not allowed to hit the double until he clears all these, he's focused now. Dude, that was it, man. You fully committed that time, didn't you? Yeah. Hell yeah, buddy! That was so sick. I'm so proud of him for that. You have it. You can do that. You got that. Bro, did you see my speed, Sam?
Yeah.
It's really not that fast.
No, it isn't.
That was as slow as I could possibly hit that.
I thought I was going to hit you. Alright.
I think it's all in your head and you're overthinking it.
Yeah.
Because that one's bigger.
Yeah.
Definitely got it.
Hell yeah. See? He knows you got it. You got it, bro. That speed was good. Just come around standing up and ready. You got it. Yeah, dude. I told you so. I told you you had that. Wasn't it smooth?
Yeah.
It was easy. You were up there too, bro.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. See, now you're just gonna go to the next jump and the next jump and the next jump.
I just need to level that one out more. I was a lot on the back. I felt like I need some water.
No better feel. All right, let's go get it. You earned it. You earned a break now. Dude, so pumped for you, man. So pumped for you. Let's go. Sam's favorite word. Let's go. Well, overall, this was a great day hanging out with the squad at Roberts. Met some new people. Sam accomplished hitting some new jumps, and that's amazing. That's awesome. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as we enjoyed riding today. It was such a great day, and hopefully you're going to have many, many more coming up now that it's springtime and we're getting more and more good weather. If you want to see more content, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.